the story of threads that brought the world together from different countries and cultures.
Each character has their own traditions, language and style, yet they discover one common thing, unity in diversity.
Yes, a tale of culture and kindness. The day when the world came together to help a stranger, they learned that kindness and friendship have no boundaries. So, fasten up your seatbelts as we are about to take you off to a colorful journey. And cultures, filled with laughter, emotions and culture.
Presenting
The North Suitcase!
Passengers on the British Airways flight to Barbados, please go to gate number 40 where this flight is ready to board.
Excuse me? Now what? What do you want? Just leave me alone.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your ticket.
But how? You said
She has rescheduled her flight for you. Hope you have a nice journey.
thank you so much. And I am very sorry. I shouldn't have talked to you like that. I was tensed. It's okay. I understand. But why did you do it for me? You don't even know me. Because I believe that we should treat everyone with kindness. Not because they are nice, but because you are. So nice of you. I will always remember it. By the way, I am Antonio. I am from France. And I am an artist. Martha Lewis. Pleasure meeting you. I am from USA. I am a travel blogger, visiting places, studying culture and tradition of different places around the world. Nice bag. Nice work of art. Who made it? Did you? No. Sometimes wherever you go becomes a part of you. Like your dance today, so was I. Some days back, some strangers helped me too.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final boarding call for Delta Airlines Flight DL247, departing from Los Angeles International Airport to New York. All passengers are requested to proceed to gate 32B immediately.
At the busy airport one morning, travelers rushed everywhere. But one traveler was about to discover something unexpected. Attention passengers! Flight number 1344 is delayed for 2 hours due to bad climate condition. We are sorry for the delay. Please keep your belongings safe. My bag! My bag! Did you see my suitcase? Did you see my luggage? You can talk to her. Excuse me, my bag is missing. Don't panic, ma'am. We will look after it.
Please give us some time.
Please, hurry up. Thank you. Konnichiwa. You know, in Japan, we wear kimono for special occasion. We often wear it during the tea ceremony. Tea ceremony? Tea ceremony? Konnichiwa. Yes, this ceremony is more than just drinking tea, where we prepare matcha green tea with care and respect. The tea ceremony is deeply rooted in Zen Buddhism. It serves as a meditative practice that promotes inner peace and awareness. The host prepares the matcha, guests receive the bowl, express gratitude, and drink the teams may also be selected for ceremonies based on special occasions. The Japanese tea ceremony is not just a cultural tradition, it promotes a sense of connection among participants, allowing them to set aside their busy lives and appreciate the simple pleasure of tea in a meditative atmosphere, teaching us patience and harmony. That's wonderful. So peaceful. Hey, that's a nice drum. But that's not just a drum. It's Jambo. In Africa, drums call people together for festivals, dances, and even sharing news. This drum is the heartbeat of our villages. The Jambo drum, known for its deep, resonant sound, plays a vital role in African festivals. It's used to accompany traditional dances, storytelling, and ceremonies, fostering community spirit and cultural expression. The drum often symbolizes unity and heritage, enhancing the festive atmosphere and connecting people to their ancestral roots. The rhythm keeps our community united. I can feel the beat in my heart. Ni hao. Hey, feeling hungry? Wanna try this? Yes, sure. That's amazing. What is it? Tangwan. Tangwan? I mean rice cake. We often prepare it during our Lantern Festival. Huh? Lantern Festival? Ni hao. In China, fairs are part of graceful dances. The Chinese Lantern Festival, celebrated on the 15th day of the Lunar New Year. It features the illumination of colorful lanterns, often displaying intricate designs and symbols of good fortune. Families gather to admire the lanterns, solve riddles connected to them, and enjoy traditional foods like tangwan. The festival symbolizes reunion and the arrival of spring, offering a joyful atmosphere filled with performances, dragon dances, and fireworks. This vibrant celebration emphasizes togetherness, hope, and the dispelling of darkness as the days grow longer. We light red lanterns that float into the sky with wishes for happiness. So elegant, full of hope. Thank you.
Te deseo felicidad. Te deseo felicidad. Hola.
Hello. Beautiful lyrics. But what does it mean? It means I wish for your happiness. This sombrero is part of our festivals. We wear sombreros and sing joyfully with guitars during mariachi music. Mariachi music? Mariachi music is a traditional Mexican genre that embodies the rich cultural heritage of Mexico. Mariachi music is not only about performance, but
expressive melodies, and often romantic or nostalgic lyrics. Its lively rhythms and heartfelt lyrics convey stories of love, struggle, and cultural history, promoting celebrations and happiness.
Deseo felicidad.
That's wonderful and outstanding. Hey, did you find my suitcase? Sorry, ma'am, not yet. But we are trying hard. Don't worry, we will soon find it out. Please hurry, it's already very late. Arey ji, don't tension. Eat laddu, everything will be fine. Don't worry, happiness is the best bag you can carry. Thank you. It's very delicious. Mention not ji. Have more. No thanks. You also take. Take. My mother made it for Diwali. Diwali? Your sister? No. You wrong understand. Diwali, festival of lights. It is a time of joy, family, and a new beginning. On this day, homes and public places are decorated with diyas, candles, and colorful rangoli. Families perform Lakshmi Puja in the evening and light diyas and candles to welcome prosperity. Diwali is also a time for indulging in sweets and feasting. Families prepare traditional dishes and exchange sweets with friends and neighbors. The atmosphere is vibrant with fireworks and streets are filled with festivals. Sounds so bright and beautiful. On the day of festival, we worship Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, and also Lord Ganpati. Ganpati? Namaste. This is Lord Ganesh. He holds immense significance in Indian culture. He is always worshipped first at the start of new ventures, festivals. Ma'am, here is your suitcase. We are sorry for the delay. Thank you for cooperating. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ganpati Bappa, and thank you, all of you. It's all because of your good wishes. Thank you. Hey, what are you drawing? This is a holy swastik, symbol of good fortune, protection, and blessings. Attention passengers, the climate condition seems to be stable now. Passengers of flight number 1344 are requested to move from gate number 12 and board their flights. We wish you a safe and happy journey. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. It's the most memorable day of my life. And since then, for me, traveling is not just about the places I visit, but it's all about the perspectives I gain. That day, I learned kindness is the ability to understand and appreciate the people around us, no matter who they are. So, that was all about a suitcase lost and friendships found. Merci. This is beryl. It is a symbol of art and style. In Paris, we wear it while painting in the streets. We say art is life and it inspires us. Just a minute.
This is for you.
Wow! But when did you make it?
While you were busy telling the story, I was busy sketching your memory.
That's amazing! Thank you, Antonio.
No, thank you, Martha. You have taught me that we make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. The purpose of life is not just to be happy, but to be useful, to be helpful.
Attention passengers! Passengers of flight number 8303 are requested to move from gate number 1 and board their flights. We wish you a happy and safe journey. Thank you.